Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul.
Hello beautiful people, today we're gonna create 4 high messy buns that you can recreate in seconds. So let's get started with our first one. We want to select our top section, tie it using a clear elastic, and then you want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. Pull it a little bit to create this voluminous top. Then we want to select the rest, incorporating our top detail as well, and we want to make with it a very high ponytail. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, leaving the ends in the back like I'm showing. Then you want to slightly twist it, wrap it around the elastic, and you want to tuck it into the elastic in the back like I'm showing. If your hair is longer, you want to wrap it around your elastic several times. Then you want to pull your created fun bun and pin it from the sides, and you're done. For the next one, we want to select our top section and you want to tie it using a mini scrunchie or any type of elastic that you have laying around. You want to divide it into two and twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way, creating this row braid. Basically so easy. If you can't make a row braid, you just simply twist these strands around each other, and then you want to wrap it around the elastic and use a bobby pin to fix the ends in place. Now you want to grab the back section, make sure to smooth it with a comb or a brush like I'm showing, and then you want to bring it up, just twist it like I'm showing and wrap it around created bun. You want to use an elastic to secure it or bobby pins, depending how easier and more secure you feel your bun. For the next one, you want to make a very high ponytail, tying it with a scrunchie that pretty much matches your hair color. And the last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through like I'm showing and leave the ends back, and then bring your ends up again and hiding them under your scrunchie. You want to secure it using a clear elastic. Here guys, you can use bobby pins too if you need that. For the next hairstyle, we want to make a parting like I'm showing, and that is so trend now, middle parting, right? And then when we feel like our hair is smooth and nice, we want to make a ponytail, a middle kind of ponytail. And then grabbing your hair and yes, a small claw clip. You want to wrap your hair around the claw clip and attach the claw clip to the base of your ponytail and spread the hair around, and you're done. Guys, I hope that you really enjoyed today's buns. Tell me please in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. But you know guys, I love you so much, and that's it for today. Bye!